Hello. In this video, you'll learn the complete step-by-step process to apply for BBMP e-Khata online. So watch till the end. Step 1. Prepare required documents. Scan or take clear photos of the following documents needed for e-Khata application: Aadhaar card, registered sale deed, latest property tax receipt, BESCOM electricity bill, encumbrance certificate, a photo of your house, and a screenshot of its GPS location. Step 2. Open e-Aasthi portal. Open your browser and visit the website www.bbmpeaasthi.karnataka.gov.in. Enter your mobile number and log in using the OTP. Step 3. Search your property. On the portal, click on Search Property. You can search using your ward, owner's name, or PID number. Step 4. Verify draft e-Khata. Once your property is found, a draft e-Khata document will be displayed. It will show the owner name, property size, location details, PID number, and more. Step 5. Submit final details. In this step, carefully fill in all the required information. Upload Aadhaar, bill, sale deed, and all other supporting documents. Step 6. Pay the application fee. Pay the application fee of 125 Indian rupees online. After payment, download the receipt for your records. Step 7. Verification process. Your submitted information will be verified with the Kaveri and BESCOM databases. If everything is correct, your application will be approved quickly, or it may be sent for ARO inspection. Step 8. Download e-Khata certificate. Once your application is approved, go to the download section of the portal and download your official e-Khata certificate. Closing. Was this information helpful? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such useful updates. Thank you.